With our awesome new service van, MacDepot now offers full on-site technical support for your home or business. Which is great, but all the extra attention has forced Lee here to wear a disguise when he's in public.
But why are you wearing a disguise?
I think it looks cool.
Ever since we got our new service van, Ben keeps asking to borrow it. We're really not sure why.
I've been ripped from my clean, sterile environment to tell you that MacDepot now offers full on-site service for your home or business. So we'll come to you, and you can stay in and catch up on Glee. Can I go inside now? So I came in late for work the other day, and as a punishment, the boss made me wash the van. Looks like I'm going to be late more often.